Hi friends, you know that the summer solstice is just around the corner. Yes, June 21st is the day of the summer solstice, the longest day of the year. But that's not why the summer solstice is important. The word solstice comes from a Latin word meaning sun stands still. And that's exactly what it appears like in the sky. It appears as though for a cosmic minute, the sun is pausing. What does that mean? It is, in a sense, resetting itself to prepare itself for the coming months when the daylight will start getting less till we reach the winter solstice around December 21st, which is the shortest day of the year. During the summer solstice, the sun exudes a huge amount of its radiant illumination. You and I have to make use of that illumination that is coming our way. You and I have to celebrate that light, the light that is within us and the light that is around us. But most importantly, we must celebrate, understand, and work with the light of the sun. The summer solstice is a period of much celebration. World over, people celebrate the summer solstice with food, with plants, with crystals, with dance rituals, with singing and merriment. Because the summer solstice is a period of abundance. On the day of the summer solstice and the few days after that, the energies of manifestation are at their peak. So, if you wish to manifest anything, then you must use the energies of the summer solstice. And how will you do that? Well, it's wonderful to meditate on the day of the summer solstice. But don't meditate indoors if it is possible for you to meditate outdoors. Meditate under the rays of the sun. Meditate on green grass. Meditate with your crystals around you. Meditate by lighting a lot of candles that are symbolic of the golden energies of the sun. When you meditate with the sun's energies on summer solstice, you can unapologetically ask for whatever it is that you desire, because your inner light shall find its resonance with the light of the sun, and you can manifest to your heart's desire. Write down your intention and let the meditation flow from within you. When you have finished the meditation, do not forget to say a little gratitude prayer to Mother Earth and to the cosmic sun. The day of summer solstice is a day of fire energy. So be surrounded by the fire energy. Light incense sticks, light candles. Make your home aglow with this brilliant fire energy. In fact, you can also have sacred rituals that involve the fire. Rituals that can cleanse your home, that can cleanse your spaces, that can cleanse yourself. So use the fire energy in different productive ways. You can use it to heal yourself. You can use it to energize your homes and your families. Be awake to the summer solstice energy. From June 15th to around July 15th, the energies of the fire element, the energies of the cosmic sun are at their peak. You should work with these energies of the sun in this 1 month period. If you would like to know more about how you should work with the energies of the sun, please DM me, because I have an entire recorded program on exactly how you can go about working with the energies of the sun. Before I leave, let me wish you the most joyous and radiant summer solstice. Celebrate yourself and celebrate your life.